Bacteriophages, often simply called phages, are viruses with a unique and fascinating specialization. They exclusively infect and prey upon bacteria. The name bacteriophage quite literally means bacteria eater, highlighting their destructive relationship with their bacterial hosts. These microscopic entities hold a surprising amount of power and potential, despite their minute size. Evolutionary biologists are fascinated by bacteriophages because of their ancient origins and significant role in shaping bacterial populations. It's believed that phages predate the existence of cellular life and have been influencing ecosystems on Earth for billions of years. Phages are remarkably abundant. Some estimates suggest they are the most numerous biological entities on the planet. Wherever bacteria thrive, you're likely to find their viral counterparts. Oceans, soil, and even the human microbiome are teeming with them. The structure of a bacteriophage often resembles something out of science fiction. Their head, which is known as a capsid, holds their DNA or RNA instructions. Some phages even have tails to help them stick to bacteria and inject their genetic instructions inside. Phages make copies of themselves within the infected bacteria in two ways. Lytic phages hijack the bacteria's insides to make lots of new copies until the bacteria bursts open, or lysogenic phages sneak their instructions into the bacteria's DNA where it can stay hidden for a long time until something triggers it to start making copies. This long battle between bacteria and phages has led to amazing defenses on the bacteria's side, like tools to cut up foreign DNA, including CRISPR-Cas. But phages are constantly finding ways to fight back. The potential applications of bacteriophages are diverse and captivating. One of the most promising applications lies in combating the growing threat of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Traditional antibiotics are becoming increasingly ineffective, prompting research into alternative treatments. Because phages have evolved to be remarkably effective at killing bacteria, phage therapy has emerged as a viable option. Phage therapy involves administering carefully selected phages to a patient to infect and destroy specific bacterial pathogens. Beyond medicine, bacteriophages are finding applications across various fields of biotechnology. In agriculture, phages can be harnessed to protect crops from bacterial diseases, offering a safer and more environmentally friendly alternative to chemical pesticides. The food industry is exploring the use of phages to control bacterial contamination and improve food safety. Detecting bacterial pathogens rapidly is crucial in preventing foodborne illness, and phages are being developed into highly sensitive and specific biosensors to fulfill this role. Bacteriophages have even been explored as a means to deliver gene therapy payloads to target cells, expanding the possibilities of treating genetic diseases at the source. As research into bacteriophages continues to advance, we are likely to see even more innovative and far-reaching applications of these remarkable viruses in the years to come.